Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I had a sneaker unboxing, so this time, before the year ends, we're gonna do another one, so let's go! Okay, welcome back to my channel. If you're still not subscribed, please feel free and like this video. Okay, so now, actually this is the first, no? I bought this one in Manila. I had this shipped here in Cebu. I actually saw this one March earlier this year, and I just couldn't help but not forget about this kind of sneaker. The color is yellow, and it's very unique. It's one of the Jordan series. This one is Jordan 4 Lightning Force. So, tara, buksan natin. At first, I was really... How do I say it ba? At first, I was kind of reluctant really to buy Jordans because, well, I myself, I'm not a basketball player, and I really thought that those kind of sneakers are somehow very mythical, no? And well, they're also pricey, I'd say that. But ito kasi, this one is a different kind of. This is not the OGs or yung lost and found. This one is a different one. Medyo malaki yung box, no? Okay, well sealed. By the way, this was shipped to me. Actually, dumating na siya 2 weeks ago na eh. But since the day of purchase, it arrived to me, say, only 3 days. Medyo mabilis. Okay. Let's do this. Okay. I don't know what this is. Aha. Here we go. Alright, let's set this aside. Thank you so much. Big box. Okay. Is this size 10? Okay. Kinabahan ako doon. I thought it's not my size. There was one time that I bought a pair of sneakers and it was size 11, but I'm size 10. So I compensated by wearing thicker socks. I don't want that to happen in this kind of sneakers. Okay, so this is Jordan Flight. Okay. Let's try to interview first this. Okay. Kinakabahan ako eh. It's my first time to have Jordan sneakers. Okay. Here we go. Ayan. Size 10. Ready na? Ready na ba? Okay. I see yellow. I see minions. I see banana. Okay. Amoy urig. Dapat urig lang. And that's popping yellow, guys. Ooh, astig. Wow. Okay. Ang galing ko ha. Wow. Okay. Oh, dream come true. And I do have invoice and receipt. Okay, let me check. Okay, I'm convinced. Okay, let's put this on top of the box. Shall we? Ganda ng kulay. Actually, ako kasi, nangolekta ako ng sapatos na kakaiba yung kulay. Yung pinakauna kong blinag, yung kulay nun, aqua blue. Tapos, that was Dame sneakers. And then and unbox another one was red, si Antetokounmpo, yung Nike Zoom Freak 1. And then I had LeBron, yung purple na Witness 5. Then I have white sneakers na medyo low range yung price, yung 1-up. And then I also have the green Fila. Okay, but I gave it. So ngayon, I have yellow na. Okay, to add to my collection. Okay, sige natin. Actually, sa video, in the video, it's not too yellow, but here, it's really popping yellow. Looks really nice. Wait. Let's see. $50. So, here are the sneakers. Flight. You can see that, no? Flight. And then Air Jordan. Okay. Yes, they got my size. And they do have this shoe tree ba tawag dito? Just to maintain its shape. Okay. Impression. The material is yung loob para siyang paano ba? Yung material niya is quite different from the shoes that I have bought before. Okay? Yung parang may pailaw dito, pero hindi yata ito umiilaw eh. Parang yung pambata na habang naglalakad ka, umiilaw. Okay? The material here on this part is different with the material on the inside. Okay? Yung footsole niya looks durable. And the color of the inside is white. All white. Okay, buksan natin. I'm not sure. What do you think ba? Is this the best kind of yung pagtali ng shoes, or would you guys prefer to have this one straight? Yung pag ganun, I can always retie this one myself. I can look it up. Pero sa pagkakaalam ko, tinatali to dito eh. Alam niyo, you have to tie this one like dito, parang nakasabit lang. Pamporma ba? I'm 31 years old, parang pasok pa ba sa akin yung forma, parang ganito. Yung ganito lang ba? Tapos nakatali lang, nakasabit lang, nakabitay. Titignan natin. Naka-shorts pa naman ako ngayon, so next. Forma. Yun. Okay, ang ganda. Pero parang masikip siya, no? It looks quite bulky, you know? It looks quite bulky. Ang ganda. Pero sa loob, parang siyang masikip eh. That was my impression with my Dame 7. But when I wore it, actually surprisingly, it was very, very comfortable. Medyo lang siya, mataba. Kung sa kotse pa, hindi siya yung pang Fortuner, para siyang Land Cruiser. Mataba. Okay. Ang ganda nung likod. Ganda. And then sideways. You know, umiiba yung kulay. Okay. Now, my impression of this one is it worth the price? Well, let's say Jordan is Jordan, so I have to say yes. In kulay, medyo mapili yung kulay. This kind of sneakers with this color, it's quite meticulous with your wear. Say with the clothes that you wear, it has to be neutral, so this one would pop. Otherwise, if your outfit is all over the place, maroon, and your pants is red, and you're wearing this one, you're like a walking rainbow. So yeah, you just have to tone down with the color of your clothes, so this one would really pop. Okay, I would suggest to wear say white socks for this one when you're wearing shorts, and black pants if you're wearing this one. Para this would really pop. Okay, suotin natin. Let's try this one, shall we? Okay, there you go, guys. Thank you so much for your time watching this unboxing video, and I hope that this would somehow convince you or would make you decide if this kind of sneakers is also for you. Well, if you're also looking for this kind of variant, I'm pretty sure that Jordan 4 has different kinds of color, no? But this one specifically, Lightning Force, is my taste. Okay? It's my taste. So to each his own. Ayan, naka-black pa naman ako, diba? So bagay na bagay yung yellow. Okay. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I'll see you next on my next unboxing video.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button to get notified for new uploads. Take care.